All right, Matt. Stevie's got your Ducati 750 GT on the ground. And rolling. Okay, so here's the rear wheels and all that. And we put your shocks on. They look relatively new. The yellow's, I don't know, kind of funky. I don't know if you want us to pull these apart, paint that yellow black or something. I guess that's what we're asking you. We put your tail light on. We had to put another lens on. You had a cracked lens. This is kind of a semi black. I don't know if you want that the way it is. It looks like it's new or reproduction part. We can pull that off and paint it, but
that was the old
there's
lens.
the old tail light's cracked right there. Here, hold it. There you go. Anyways, we put a new lens on for you. We got the wiring in. We got this polished. We didn't do the other side yet. We got that and the.
Well, we got this cover polished.
That cover's polished too.
I gotta get the chain on now.
All right, so Stevie went and got that silver cad paint. They look okay, but we still got to go in, I guess, get some stuff chromed. There's some stuff in the box that we didn't catch. The fender brackets for the front fender brackets, those were in the box, and we didn't see those till recently. So I got to send that stuff to the chrome shop. I could try. These are pot metal, so I can see if my chrome shop will do these. Right now they're silver. They look okay. They don't look horrible.
I could do the rears that way too.
And here's the headlight. So this got cleaned up and this got painted silver. That got blasted and painted silver. We had to fix that because that was pretty corroded. That's aluminum right there. So there's two different metals here. This was originally aluminum and that's thin steel sheet metal. Wiring is in. There's no butt connectors in there. You can see all this. This is your original. This I'll sheath off. I don't know yet what I'm going to do with this one. This is the return wire for the headlight.
Listen,
we put a new switch.
I gotta pull the dash back apart because this switch.
Oh yeah, this switch is
not working correctly.
So it's dirty. We might be able to pull it apart and clean it, but we got it all together. We didn't know that until we got it all together. But it's kind of funky. It's kind of it's probably just corroded. Yeah, you got to hold it. Okay, this is the same switch you had on it. I guess I had one. These are reproduction Yamaha 209 switches. We use these on the Guzzis also. So I put another one on. Hopefully that's okay.
The horn was broken. Everything worked on it. Your horn was not working.
Yeah, the horn, didn't work on the old switch. So anyways, there she is. Here's the wheels. And all that looks nice and pretty.
Got the disc all painted.
The disc is painted. There you go. All right, she's getting there. We're coming in on the home stretch here. Stevie's got carbs to do. He's still got a lot of stuff to do. So there you go. And I guess I'll shoot you out an email and you can check this out. Thank you, Matt. We appreciate the work, and we'll talk to you later, man. All righty. Bye-bye.